Mr. Wayne Austin, Senior Manager of the License Revenue Office, was interviewed concerning motor vehicles which have been altered due to an accident or any other reasons. He stated that the Guyana Revenue Authority will not issue any registration or road license for a vehicle which have been put together with different parts. Here is Mr. Austin with more on this issue.
Quite recently, there has been a number of requests by vehicle owners to do transaction on vehicle that was being repaired after major accidents. And this will involve the GRA examining these vehicles. And while examining the vehicle, it found that the information on the original registration or original registration document differs with regards to what they examine the vehicle. And most of the reason being the person said that because of the accident that they will have to change the front cut of the vehicle. But the GR position that any vehicle that the chassis has been tampered with or changed, we don't do any transaction on it.
Mr. Austin goes on to explain what the position is as it relates to the law.
The law does not provide for any entity in Guyana is authorized to assemble knockdowns. There's no entity. And as such, the GRA position is that we would not process any transaction, whether it be a motor vehicle license renewal, copy of a registration, change of color, transfer of registration. No transaction will be done on vehicle that the chassis has been tampered with or changed.
He further goes on to state that even though the law permits parts of a vehicle to be imported, it is against the law to modify a vehicle. Here is more.
Although the law would provide for persons to import knockdown at a specific rate, there's no entity in Guyana that is authorized to assemble those knockdown. Those knockdown, when assembled, it is dangerous, it is not safe, and I guess a person would have known about the incident where a vehicle was bent into half and all persons died with that, and that vehicle was one of the vehicles that was assembled. So the position of GRA is that we are not licensing or doing any transaction of vehicles that are chassis being tampered with.
No legal document will be issued by the GRA according to Mr. Austin because it will leave room for all sorts of illegal activities to take place in order to defraud the system.
In addition also to that, that can give loophole for like persons that persons could smuggle a vehicle in the country and use a different chassis number. Person could also steal vehicle and use another chassis number and claim that it's being assembled. And the chassis number is where we assign the motor vehicle registration number to. Persons who might have the vehicle involved in any serious accident and stuff may have to result in using that vehicle as spares because they will not be having any legal document to use that vehicle on the road, at least not from the GRA.